Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this video today I'm going to show you a custom built project for a customer of me. I'm starting off with an MCG model 1/18 scale Volkswagen Golf Mk2 4-door. And I hope in the end it will look something like this. This is the real car. But first let's take it apart. The car is held together with a couple of screws, and the inside of the car, like the interior, is fitted with some small rivets. The model I am using is already nicely detailed. For the price you have to pay, yeah, it's not bad. And the paint finish is really beautiful. But yeah, we're gonna sand it and we're gonna change the color. The Golf Mk2 is a special car for me also, because it was my first car that brought me into the tuning and styling scene and car meets, everything like that. I wet sanded the car and now it's time for primer. I unfortunately don't have any videos or pictures from the primer stage, but this is the first real color. The color is going to be. This was after 2 coats. I am using real quality car paint for most of my builds. And in the meantime, when that was drying, I decided to go on with the interior. I made some real carpet for the floor and painted some things in the interior. I let the paint dry overnight and put on 3 coats of clear, so it's nice and shiny. In the meanwhile, the 3D printed BBS wheels and tires, I came in with the mail. Link in description where you can buy them. The original model I'm using is a GTI version, so it got black trim and red trim on the bumpers. But I'm going to change it to chrome or silver. And when you're still watching this video, please subscribe, like, share or comment, and put on your notifications bell. You help me a lot. Okay, the wheels are finished. I made the center steel grey and the lips are polished. And I lowered the car. It's already looking nice, I think. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, I painted the interior. And I found a Ferrari steering wheel, what looks like the steering wheel from the real car. Most of my custom builds got lights, so let's install them too on this build. And let's do some details, like the real license plates and some more chrome trim. Now it's time to put everything back together and make the wires nice and tidy, so you don't see them when the car is finished. Now, just let's admire the car for a couple of seconds. The only things missing right now is a bachelor's grille and some clear, dark headlights. I decided to make it myself. Starting off with the original grille. I cut out the louvers and test fitted it before I put in some new louvers. For the new louvers I'm using used tie ribs. Yeah, really, tie ribs. And I think it turned out okay. So now it's time for the diorama. I'm decided to make a garage. I already bought this little jewel box, but then I came to the conclusion it was too small. So I made it a little bit longer and I put in some more details, tires, a workbench, some curtains and some special things the owner is very fond of, like a Scania V8 logo, because the owner of this car is a truck driver and Scania is his favorite brand. And who doesn't love a cold beer when you're tinkering on your car? So this was my build. I hope you enjoyed my video and I hope I see you the next time. And I want to thank you for watching. And when you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, like, share or comment and watch the whole videos. You help me a lot. See you the next time. Bye bye.